Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Heather here, and today we'll be exploring some fantastic home office library design ideas. Get ready to dive into some inspiring spaces and learn how to create your perfect work and reading haven. Let's get started. I love the cozy and sophisticated vibe of this home office library. The dark green walls provide a rich backdrop that enhances the warm tones of the wooden bookshelves and desk. The ample shelving is perfect for organizing books and displaying personal items, making it both practical and inviting. The vintage rug adds a touch of elegance and ties the room together beautifully. The natural light coming from the window brightens the space and makes it an ideal spot for reading or working. If I were to change anything, I might add a bit more task lighting, such as a stylish desk lamp, to ensure the workspace is well lit during evening hours. I adore the serene and earthy atmosphere of this home office library. The dark green walls create a calming effect, while the large window floods the space with natural light, making it perfect for work and relaxation. The woven chair and textured rug add a natural, organic feel, complementing the greenery beautifully. The built-in shelves offer ample storage, keeping everything tidy and within reach. The use of light, neutral curtains, softens the look and allows for control over the light. If I could enhance anything, I'd add a few more personal touches, like framed photos or decorative objects, to make the space feel even more personalized and inviting. This home office library feels both elegant and functional. The built-in bookshelves reaching up to the ceiling maximize storage and create a stunning focal point. I love the classic wooden desk and the floral upholstered chair, which add a touch of vintage charm. The ample natural light from the large window brightens the room and highlights the intricate rug that adds warmth and character to the space. The greenery brings a refreshing element, making the room feel alive and inviting. If I were to make any changes, I might incorporate a few more modern touches like sleek desk accessories or a contemporary piece of art to balance the traditional elements and keep the space feeling current. I'm absolutely impressed by this sophisticated home office library. The muted green built-in bookshelves and wall panels create a cohesive and calming environment, perfect for focus and relaxation. The elegant wooden desk paired with the leather chair offers a timeless and professional look. I love how the French doors open up the space and allow natural light to flood in, highlighting the beautiful patterned rug that adds warmth and character. The brass accents and chandelier add a touch of luxury. To improve the space, I might add a few more personal items or art pieces to make it feel more lived in and uniquely mine. I find this home office library to be exceptionally elegant and refined. The crisp white built-in shelves and cabinetry offer a clean and timeless backdrop that makes the space feel bright and airy. The dark wooden desk stands out beautifully against the light surroundings, adding a touch of classic sophistication. I appreciate the gold accents in the traditional lamp, which enhance the room's luxurious feel. The topiary plant brings a fresh, natural element, making the space more inviting. The patterned carpet adds subtle texture and warmth. If I could improve anything, I might add a comfortable reading chair or a cozy throw to soften the look and make the space feel even more welcoming and functional. I really appreciate the cozy and intimate feel of this home office library. The muted green built-in shelves create a serene atmosphere, perfectly complementing the dark wooden desk and leather chair. The brass picture lights above the shelves add a sophisticated touch and highlight the art pieces beautifully. I love the large window, which brings in natural light and makes the space feel bright and airy. The Roman shade provides a soft, elegant touch. The traditional chandelier adds a classic charm, tying the room together. If I were to make any changes, I might add a more colorful or patterned rug to introduce a bit more warmth and contrast to the overall design. I'm captivated by the eclectic and vibrant feel of this home office library. The mix of patterns and textures creates a visually stimulating space. I love the traditional wooden desk and the pair of elegant cane chairs that add a touch of vintage charm. The built-in shelves are beautifully styled, and the framed artwork provides a striking focal point. The green glass lamps and fresh flowers bring in a refreshing, natural element. The large lantern-style pendant light is a bold choice that adds character to the room. If I were to tweak anything, I'd perhaps choose a different rug that introduces a pop of color to tie in with the curtains and enhance the lively atmosphere. I'm drawn to the sophisticated and stately ambiance of this home office library. The classic wooden desk and matching chair exude timeless elegance, while the built-in shelves offer ample storage and display space. I love the mix of books and decorative glassware, which adds a touch of refinement. The large windows bring in abundant natural light and provide a lovely view of the garden, making the room feel airy and connected to nature. The bold patterned rug injects a bit of modern flair, balancing the traditional elements beautifully. If I were to change anything, I might add a few more personal touches, like family photos or travel souvenirs, to make the space feel more personalized and lived in. I'm enchanted by the cozy and traditional charm of this home office library. The blue and white toil wallpaper paired with navy trim creates a classic and inviting atmosphere. I love the built-in shelves that frame the fireplace and provide ample space for books and decorative items. The plaid armchair adds a touch of comfort and is perfect for relaxing with a good book. The built-in desk by the window makes excellent use of natural light, making the workspace bright and cheerful. The antique-style light fixtures and framed historical documents add a sense of timelessness. If I were to improve anything, I'd add a bit more modern functionality, like hidden cable management, to maintain the clean, uncluttered look. I'm absolutely in love with the airy and eclectic feel of this home office library. The high vaulted ceiling with exposed beams creates a sense of spaciousness, while the floor-to-ceiling bookshelves provide ample storage and a dramatic visual impact. The large arched window floods the room with natural light and offers a stunning focal point. I appreciate the mix of comfortable seating options, including the cozy sofa and the built-in window seat, perfect for both work and relaxation. The eclectic mix of colorful pillows and the patterned rug add warmth and personality to the space. If I were to change anything, I'd perhaps add more task lighting to ensure the workspace is well lit during evening hours. I'm thoroughly impressed by the modern and bold design of this home office library. The deep, dark walls create an intimate and focused atmosphere, while the large window allows plenty of natural light to brighten the space. The mustard yellow sofa adds a vibrant pop of color and provides a comfortable spot for reading or taking breaks. The built-in desk and shelving are sleek and functional, keeping the workspace organized and clutter-free. I love the unique sculptural light fixture, which adds a touch of contemporary flair. If I were to improve anything, I'd add some artwork or personal photos to the walls to make the space feel even more personalized and inspiring. I'm captivated by the chic and sophisticated vibe of this home office library. The dark green cabinetry creates a rich, calming backdrop, while the light wood desktop adds beautiful contrast. I love the minimalist approach, with books turned spine in for a uniform look and a few decorative pieces. The pendant light is a stylish touch, providing function and a focal point. The leather chair adds warmth and comfort, while the exposed brick wall introduces texture and a rustic element. If I were to change anything, I might add a bit more color variety to the books, or introduce a few personal items to make the space feel even more inviting and personalized. I'm impressed by the contemporary and inviting feel of this home office library. The vaulted wooden ceiling adds warmth and a sense of spaciousness, while the large window and sliding door bring in plenty of natural light. I love the rich blue carpet, which adds a bold pop of color and contrasts beautifully with the wood tones. The built-in shelves provide ample storage and display space, keeping the room organized. The modern light fixture is a striking feature, adding visual interest. The comfortable chairs are perfect for both work and meetings. If I were to improve anything, I'd add some wall art to bring in more personality and make the space feel even more dynamic and inspiring. I'm drawn to the bright and airy feel of this home office library. The light blue built-in bookshelves create a serene and inviting atmosphere, perfectly framing the window and allowing natural light to flood the space. I love the modern desk and the comfortable chair, which make the workspace functional and stylish. The patterned Roman shade adds a touch of elegance and privacy. The large pendant light is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, providing ample lighting. The greenery on the desk brings a fresh, natural element to the room. If I were to change anything, I'd add a cozy rug under the desk to introduce more warmth and texture, making the space even more comfortable and inviting. I love the minimalist and modern design of this home office library. The black shelving units provide a sleek and stylish backdrop, contrasting beautifully with the light wood desk. The simple monochromatic decor feels calming and uncluttered, perfect for focus and productivity. The large piece of artwork adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. I appreciate the subtle touches of greenery, which bring a bit of nature indoors. The mix of textures, from the rug to the ceramic and metal accents, adds depth to the design. If I were to change anything, I might add a few colorful books or decorative items to introduce a bit more warmth and personality into the room. Thanks for joining me on this tour of inspiring home office library designs. I hope you found some great ideas to incorporate into your own space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.